Is your system execution path interrupted by the Cryptui.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for Cryptui, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This DLL file is the Windows Cryptography User Interface library. It contains standard dialog boxes and wizards used to display certificate information, import security keys, and manage trust settings on the system. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the Cryptui.dll. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Cryptui. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Remember that manual replacement of the Cryptui.dll is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to the Cryptui. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing the Cryptui from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.